Digital done right. The Colorado M Series UV Gel Wallpaper Factory is the end-to-end automated solution for producing large volume interior decor applications, such as high-end wallpaper or murals, all with no loss in productivity or high operational costs associated with roll changes. Having been designed for maximum throughput and built to a very high quality, it will run all day long. This fully automated production facility excels at producing digital wallpaper, from bulk-size media input through to the finished rolled output. Using our UV gel technology, its output is fully certified to be safe for indoor use, making them suitable for even the most health-sensitive environments, like hospitals or schools. As part of the Colorado M Series, the UV Gel Wallpaper Factory is a fully modular and scalable workflow consisting of the Colorado M5 large format roll-to-roll printer and several Fotoba Jumbo roll feed and finishing modules. So, it can be fully configured to meet any specific automation or integration requirement you have. The Colorado M Series open interface means the UV Gel Wallpaper Factory can be incorporated into your existing workflows, giving you the option to choose input and output solutions from different suppliers. The Colorado M Series UV Gel Wallpaper Factory. Level up your game.